Welcome.
Welcome to our channel!
Stress Induced Left Eye Twitch. My name is Bo, and that's Julie. And we're going to do a quick little video of a room tour for my daughter. She's 7 weeks old, and this is her
It's a nursery tour.
And this is her room. So, come on in!
Okay, I will.
Okay, when you first come in, we have 4 pictures. These are 2 of her ultrasound pictures, and we had these at the baby shower, so we had people sign, and then these 2 are letters that we wrote to her. So Naya wrote this one before she was born, and I wrote this one before she was born.
So cute.
A little side note, Naya did center them on the wall, and it really bugs me.
I'm gonna be your favorite. Love, Julie.
You hear her? She's crying in the background.
She's really mad right now.
Okay, come in and I'll shut the door.
Okay, ready? Beep. 2.
Okay.
Wait, should I stay on this side of the room?
This is her glider.
Where'd you get it? Did Mom and Dad get you the glider?
No, they
got the crib.
His parents got us this. We got it at Babies R Us before they went on our business.
Oh, and look where'd you find that cute ottoman?
And then I wanted the ottoman to go with it, but the ottoman that came with this was over $200. So I found this one at TJ Maxx for $30, and there's extra storage, and I think there's just blankets in there.
So cute. Where'd you find this plushy rug? Don't mind my tan line right now.
That is from Overstock.com, so it's an 8x10, and it's cream, and then this is gray. And it was like a really...
Yeah, right now it's coming off like brown and cream, but it's gray.
It's gray, which matches...
Wait, your cute side table.
This is our cute side table. I got it at a thrift store, and then I just spray painted it. This is her announcement that we used when she was born. Her sound machine.
Oh, that's terrible.
Her clock and a light. And then we did oversized curtains. So, I mean, you can see
it looks so cute.
They're like hung above it, and then they drape on the floor.
Aww.
This is what I got for Jordan way back in the day.
He didn't like it.
And it said Michael on it, and then I just spray painted it white.
It's so cute. Here's her crib.
This is her crib that my parents got her. She has only taken naps in here so far. These are trees that were at Joanne and London's wedding that have been in my house.
Weren't they in your wedding too?
No.
They were in Mal's wedding?
Me. Remember?
Oh, yeah, but I thought I borrowed them from you.
No, you guys made them for your wedding.
Oh. No, I think we made them for Mal's wedding.
You had them as your thing in your wedding. I can show you pictures.
Oh, okay.
This is her system or whatever. What is that called? A baby monitor.
I think then. Oh yeah, nice baby monitor.
Her crib is also from Babies R Us. R.I.P.
R.I.P. Another beautiful window.
A window treatments. Julie's friend made this for Bea.
Yeah, her husband made it for Bea.
Bea's melting down downstairs.
And she has these cute little teethers. And I got her, well, I let her borrow this.
Yeah.
Snuggle Me organic thing. My sister-in-law bought that for me.
All of her blankets are here. Naya made these shelves for her because I really wanted the books to be facing this way. But all the shelves, like, seemed really flimsy. So these are, like, bolted into the wall. Like,
they're so cute. Like, this is literally a pottery barn.
So the top shelf is my husband's shelf. It's all of the math and then science in dinosaur books.
I bought him 90% of these books.
And then the rest of them are just like ones. For our baby shower, we did bring
Except
a book.
Bo really wanted that book.
That's
Beautiful
the only book I
Oops.
wanted for her. But for our baby shower, we did bring a book instead of a card.
And look how many books she got.
Have like letters written inside of them. I'm sure you guys have heard
You
of
should
that.
show him some of those books. Those are so cute. Your general relativity ones.
They can see them. I'm not getting them.
Bo's flustered right now because Bea is screaming.
Okay, over on this side is her changing table. Now, there was a set that went with the crib, but our friend Amy, we had like an old dresser, and she made it look identical to the set.
Like
so
literally identical.
Like $700.
And she painted the whole thing by herself.
It was the sweetest
I was
thing
supposed
ever.
to help her, but it never ended up
These were
going.
up at our baby shower. Our cousin made them, so I just put some of them up
Yeah.
here. And then her sign is from Hobby Lobby.
It's so cute. Like, Bo's just trendy. And
No,
here's her closet.
Don't mind the top of it, but these are all of her clothes. They're either from Jillian or thrifted, or a lot of them were from her baby shower. This one, I'm really excited to have her wear today.
It's so cute. I can't even. But Bay is so tiny. None of this is gonna fit her. Like maybe like next December.
What is this? This is 6 months.
What the? Bay is not gonna fit in that.
And then all of these have just like like I do a lot of baby wearing, so her baby slims are in here. And then all of her sleepers, onesies are down there, towels, like random toys that she obviously doesn't use really yet.
It's so cute.
Shoes. There's a sign back here that says, I think I'm going to love you forever, or love her forever. This is going to be her diffuser. Again, we're not really in here a lot.
Not yet, yeah.
So that's...
I'm going to do one huge, like, last show off of it. Because I'm serious.
Oh,
Bo is just trendy.
I gotta show these quilts.
Oh, yeah.
We got these. So, Jillian's mother-in-law made this one for her. Oh.
Wow.
Looks like this. Like, perfect colors. And then my aunt made this little one for her.
It's so sweet.
They're so cute.
They'd be so special, like, when she's older,
And I love
you know?
that they're not huge.
Yeah, they're just tiny ones. They're cute. Bo wanted ones because we do a lot of blanket time, which is just, like, during church and meetings like that. Just letting the kids learn how to, like, play quietly by themselves. But this is about it.
That's it.
That's it.
Thanks, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.